To size the width of these stiles, I'm first going to clean up one edge on the joiner. Next, I'm going to set my table saw to 3 5/16 of an inch. I am cutting this 1/16 inch larger than it needs to be, because once I run this board through the table saw, one of my edges will have mill marks. At this point, I have two boards that are cut to a width of 3 5/16. These boards each have one good finished edge and one mill marked edge. I'm going to take each of these mill marked edges and run them through the joiner to clean up that edge, which will bring my board down to a width of 3 1/4 inches with two clean edges. With my remaining two pieces, I have a mill marked edge on each of them, and I have a rough edge on each of them. I'm going to take the mill marked edge of each of these boards and run it through the joiner one time to clean it up so I have a good edge to run along the fence. With my table saw set to 3 5/16 of an inch and my good jointed edge against the fence, I'm going to rip these boards. Now, with our boards cut to a width of 3 5/16, I'm going to clean up that last edge that is mill marked from the table saw. I'm cleaning that up on the joiner, which will bring it down to 3 1/4 inches. We now have our 4 stiles for our side panels. They are cut to a length of 21 1/2 inches, which is oversized. We're going to leave it at that measurement right now, and we'll cut it down later. The width of each of these boards is exactly 3 1/4 inches, and the thickness is about 1 inch, and we're also going to leave it at that 1 inch measurement. We're not going to plane it yet until we get a few more pieces.